This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Microsoft reports earnings after Tuesday's closing bell. Taking a look back, the stock topped out right around the 190 level in February 2020, pulled back during the pandemic decline, returned to the prior high, completed this cup and handle pattern, and took off in a very strong uptrend. The uptrend initially got up to 232, where it faded after September, spent the rest of the year building this triangle pattern, breaking out again in January. It had a very nice 2021 with this long series of higher highs and higher lows, culminating in this peak just before Thanksgiving and before Omicron hit the news wires in November. Now, since that time, it completed this small triple top, a breakdown right around here. As you can see, it broke the triple top, came back up and tested it, which was now also 50-day moving average resistance, came back down to this trend line, which goes back to January. So it's about a year-long trend line, and broke that trend line on Monday, came back up and posted this long-legged bull hammer. Now that's real good news, but as you can see, it's still very, very volatile right here. This is also the 200-day moving average. So I think a lot can happen here. We're probably going to get a tradable low, but I really think the market's going straight back up. We get a lot of volatility and sideways action right in here too. Either bulls or bears prevail, so it's kind of hard to issue a buy signal or say buy the stock unless you've already picked it up, maybe down here deep in the shadow. Now taking a look at cycles on here, as you can see, the daily's coming off of a oversold cycle. If you go up to the weekly, we're down here very deeply in the, in fact, go all the way back here. When was the last time we were this low down? Was probably all the way back here in, I'd say right here in about 2011, 2012. So that's a very good sign on the weekly that we're very oversold. Coming down on, however, to the monthly, as you can see, we've entered this monthly sell cycle, and it doesn't quite look like this is stretched yet. So I think the prognosis going forward is going to be more sideways than up or down, with this big range from this big bar perhaps holding constricting price action for the next couple of months.